This place is cold, dirty, empty. It's a place that many people visit every day. People who step out of their cars onto the cracked pavement and detest the cold Saskatchewan wind on their backs and the spare change in their pockets that they are about to give up. It's a place that breeds hostility between vehicles, between people who would rather hide away in their cars or run to their destinations than park side by side. It's a place full of people who are late, who are lost, who are in a rush. Looking at this parking lot, it's hard to imagine that this was ever a place of joy. But once, when people crowded together on the sidewalk side by side to get close, spare change was handed out willingly in exchange for tickets, and everyone sat next to each other eagerly in plush theater seats. Little feet were heard up and down pristine carpeted aisles, and hands were either folded in laps, dunked in a bag of popcorn, or stretched around the shoulders of dates. Once upon a time, this very spot was the Broadway Theatre. Let us take you back in time, back to the excitement and hype of Regina's buzzing art scene in the 1930s. We are proud to present
Thank you. I'm proud to welcome you to the opening night of the Broadway Theatre. And now, our feature presentation.
Comedy, news, novelette. Regina's newest amusement center, Broadway, built exclusively for talking pictures. Formal opening tonight with a midnight matinee. The doors open at 11 p.m. and performance starts at 11:30. Our feature presentation. At last, it's on the screen. Broadway's 4-year record-breaking stage riot. Now bigger, better, funnier, crazier, greater than the stage show. Hell's a Poppin' starring Olsen and Johnson.
A fine addition to the city, and the interior, where 825 patrons will be comfortably seated, is just as fine.
Leader Post, Regina, December 31st, 1929.
Our feature presentation. David Durand and Belle Baker in Song of Love. A Columbia production. Tonight until Saturday this week at the Broadway Theatre.
Many good pictures secured by manager of New Talkie House. The famous Shakespearean play, The Taming of the Shrew, and other outstanding films will be shown in Regina.
Admission prices are children for 25 cents, adults for 55 cents, and seats on reserve for 65 cents. We will endeavor at all times to provide good entertainment. Our aim will be satisfied patrons. Thank you. Harry Berkovich, owner and manager.